when your microwave breaks and you still got to eat popcorn. You take your microwave popcorn.
It's really tall.
Come over here. All you do is just cut it open. Get your scissors. Cut it open. See all that stuff in there? All that? You just pour it in. Pour it right in. Oh, yeah. All right.
Hold on.
See?
Yep. Now, are you gonna spray that pan with cooking spray?
No, you don't got to do that.
Okay. You're not gonna put any oil in the pan?
No, nothing. You don't put nothing in. Just there's enough butter and stuff in there for it to work.
So what kind of popcorn is that?
It doesn't matter. Any microwave popcorn, it's all the same.
So what do you have your burner on?
Just put the burner on high. You just kind of break it up. Just break it up. Okay. And put the lid on. Where's the lid? Uh-oh.
You guys had to...
Let's see. Here we go. Oh, and then you need pot warmers because it's going to get hot. Put the lid on. Then you just shake it like Jiffy Pop. Santino, come here. Yeah, and then it'll start evening out. I see the butter melt. Woo! You hear that popcorn? All right, popcorn time. Look at that. Oh, a little more, a little more. One more. And that's it.
Oh, turn it off.